Let's make the odd old F. To make this drink, we're going to start by putting 2 ounces of the Paranubes Rum into our mixing glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Next, 1/2 ounce of our onion syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1/2 teaspoon of Ancho Reyes Verde. 1/2 teaspoon is 2.5 milliliters. And finally, celery bitters. I've got this tiny little sample bottle of scrappy celery bitters, scrappies. I'm gonna say 2 to 3 dashes, depending on your taste. This comes out in drops, so I'm gonna do a bunch. And then 3 for the gnome. Add your ice, and give it a stir. Now that the drink is chilled, I'm gonna get a fancy ice cube. I'll be right back with you. Fancy ice cube in hand, I'm gonna put that in my old-fashioned glass. And I'm gonna strain my drink on top of it. Garnish is going to be a twist of lemon. Oh, that's not a very good twist. I should start using a cheese grater. That's better. Express, wipe, and drop. And if you wanted to add something like a celery leaf or something like that, that might be cool, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna drink it like this. And there you have it, the odd old F. Drink with good spirits.